Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. And it is Friday. Happy Friday to you. So I wanted to do a Friday tutorial. And we are going to be using the Sweet Conversations and the Strong and Beautiful to make a Mother's Day card. So earlier this week on my Technique Tuesday, we did some Stampin' Off. And I'm going to do that here again. But this time we're going to be using this heart right here from the Sweet Conversations. And then from the Strong and Beautiful, we're going to be using the You Are Loved Completely and then the Happy Mother's Day. So let's go ahead and get started. For my base, I've got the basic white. And we're going to go ahead and get that for measurements. Those will be on the tutorial. I'll put the link to the tutorial in the description down below. You can also find it on my blog, beautyandthestamper.com. And I also have a piece of gray granite and then another piece of basic white. And we're going to be using the basic white on this one. All right, so we are going to start with this guy here. And we're going to pick a color. I'm going to go with the brand new Orchid Oasis. I have not tried it yet. So let's go ahead and get started. I am going to put a piece of paper right under. Now, when we did stamp off earlier on Tuesday, we would put it in the ink, then we would stamp off and we would go back. But this is going to automatically do its own stamping. So let's go ahead, and all you're going to do is we are going to put that one here. We are going to start off, actually I don't need this because I want to get these lines here. We're going to start off kind of in the middle, and I'm using just this as a middle line from what I can see. So I'm going to go like that, and then I'm going to go down beneath, and I'm going to go like that. One more, down beneath, and then one more. Just like that. Then we're going to go back. We're going to do it all over again. I'm going to go to this side. We're going to put one there. And see how it automatically stamps off its own. I'm going to go down below. And then one more. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And now we're going to do that one more time. We're going to do it on this side. And you can do this with any color. You can do it with 3 different colors if you'd like. And there we go. So super cute. And then we're going to take that You Are Loved Completely, and I'll put this away. I need to get it right back out. And we are going to go full strength, and we're just going to put this right in the center of that light heart right there. Now we could be done. At this point, you decide, do you want to have ribbon down here, or what would you like to do? And I'm not seeing any lovely ribbon that I want to have on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my paper trimmer and I'm going to put 2 score lines. So 1 score line, and then I'm going to move it just a little bit more, and I'm going to put a 2nd score line. And so we'll just have 2 little score lines down here. I think I might actually add a 3rd one, because there is room for it. There we go. And it just gives a little bit of texture down there. And so you could put ribbon, or you could do a tear if you'd like. That would work as well. Let's see. And then we're going to line those up. And that gray granite just gives that a nice little border, just like this. All right, so we are going to take our Stampin' Seal and line that up with our gray granite piece. Just like that. And then we're going to stamp our inside greeting. Didn't forget about that one. That's our Happy Mother's Day. Brand new. It's nice and juicy. Just like that. And then I think I'm going to grab a card. So let me grab a white envelope here. Okay. We're going to take that and just put it right down there. We'll do another one here, and we'll do it all the way across. We'll even give a little one off the page, just like that. And then we're going to take this piece here, get out some of my dimensionals. I happen to have this left over from a paper pumpkin kit. Ugh. I always try, every time. I always try. And there we go. Now we're just going to add some little gems. Little rhinestones here. And we'll put one in the corner right there. And then actually, I think we're going to be good with just that one little gem there. I think that is adorable. Quick and easy card. You can do so many. Make a lovely Valentine's, beautiful Mother's Day card. And I hope you like it. Please, if you do, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. I try and post these every Tuesday and Friday with tutorials and then other randoms. I just got my paper pumpkin kit. I'm going to be unboxing that next. And I hope you will stick around for it. All right, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!